Afternoon, my meow meow. What are you doing? You sleep? Wow, my cat here is sleeping. Ay, sleeping. Yung pusa ko po ay natutulog. Why? Yun siya. Yun. Hi. Hello. How are you? Good afternoon, my meow meow. What are you doing? You sleep? Oh. Good sleep. Ay. Sleeping. Yun na siya. Wala, tahimik talaga. Tahimik talaga siya kasi masarap yung tulog niya. Sarap-sarap yung tulog niya. Yun. Bye-bye.